guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with D. Myself Hariraj Malu, and today in this video let us know how to call the predefined functions in Python. So let's jump into computer screen and let's get started. So guys, I'm here on the computer screen. So when you are making your own function and you want to call it, or you want to call some predefined function from the Python library, you can use first function name, and the parenthesis you have to use. So first you have to put the function name and then the parenthesis. So I am not created a function name function, so it is not defined. So computer is giving a name error like function name is not defined. So let's talk an example. You have to use like this. Dharya, I created a function Dharya. I have not created actually. So when I created a variable function and I want to call it, like my function name is Dharya, then I have to first write the name and then the parenthesis. I have not created the function, so error is coming. So let's talk about some predefined function in the Python. So first is type. Yeah. So it is a predefined function from the Python library. You can do like first time. Okay, so this is a string, we know, and when we call Python type function, it returns what type it is. It is string type, that's why it is returning str. And when we put some float value in it, it will return us as float. So this function is basically returning the type of the thing we have put in the parenthesis. So we can do it by creating variables also, like a is equals to 10, then give us the type of a. So it is an integer, 10 is an integer, so it is returning the value of a, which is integer. So next predefined function is print. We have used several times, but it is a predefined function in the Python library which is assigned for printing the lines in the console or the shell. So we can print anything, as we know how we print. So it is printing and returning us the value which is put in the parenthesis. So it was a second, and the third predefined function is id function. So every Python variable or value has given a random id in it. So we can put here like ideally. So its id is this. So everything in the Python has given random id, and every variable also, like we have created a variable a, and when we put in the parenthesis a, the value is different. You can see the first 4 value will be same and the after values are different, as you can see. So a variable has the id as 2319587174992. So this is the id of a. So this was all I wanted to share in this video. Till the next video, goodbye.